today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok messages not sending. So first thing first, launch your TikTok app, get logged into your account. And likewise, you should be able to message anybody. Let's say this person. And if they have messages icon and if you guys follow each other, select messages and you should be able to message them. If you're not being able to do so, select Play Store or App Store and then search for TikTok. Now as you do that, if you see update, select update. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. Long tap onto your application, select the eye icon. Now here scroll below and go for storage. Here clear the cache. If you remember your credentials, I also recommend you to clear the data. But read all these and select delete. Come back onto app info page, force stop it and select OK. Now restart your device, launch your TikTok application and it should work.